Okay. So, my name is Vicky Kumar and I am from Bihar, Gaya district. And now I am pursuing BA. And if I talk about my family member, I live in a joint family, and because our parents like to live in joint family, and we are uh, 15 members. We are total 15 members, and if I talk about myself, so and I teach in a tuition, that is I started before 10 days. So this is about me. Thank you.
Okay, great to know about your. And now it's my turn to introduce myself in nutshell in front of you.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you
Yes.
know that my name is Munsi Tuddu and I am connecting you from Bihar. District name is Jamui and I am only 10th pass educated and my hobbies are learning English. So that's why I'm learning nowadays. I am practice every day. That's all about me.
Okay. Nice. So yeah. What I think I talked to you before, but this is our first video calling.
Yeah, we talked to each other before by audio call, but we never talked by video call. This is our first time we are connected.
Yes. But I also wanted to record session, but I'm using it first time, so I have no idea. But after talking, after having a conversation, I will try to find out how to record. So
Yes, yes. Yeah, this is
yes,
my first time I am using today. I never
yes,
used before. So
yes,
you have started to teach students, no?
yes.
Okay.
I have started. I yes, sir. I'm studying teaching now of class 4 and 5 class students. They are kid now, we can say.
Okay. Okay. So how many students gather there in your coaching center?
No, I can't say coaching. I teach them free of course. I don't take any money.
Yeah, yeah, do don't take any money, but you teach, no? So that's why I used their
Yes,
coaching center.
yes, yes. Seven students only come to learn English.
Okay. Yeah, you have started
Yes,
recently, that's why. And gradually,
yes,
student
yes,
can be increased and can be joined.
yes. I have been teaching since last 4 days.
Okay. So,
Yes.
what do you think about English? Can everyone learn this language? And what kind of method do you use in order to improve your English? Do you practice every day or what? Tell me something about
Yes,
learning
yes,
English.
yes, yes. Anyone can learn this language, but they have desire to learning of this language, and it is possible. And the person who want to learn speaking English, they should have adopt some special tips and rule that will help them to increase day by day English speaking and getting confidence and talking to others and facing the people. Uh, what first of all, I will talk about myself. When I started learning English, I had no idea, and I was watching video through mobile, because in village no one want to learn English, but if you want to talk, they will not respond.
Yes,
But
yes.
we need to create ourselves of English, and where first of all you search a calm place where no one is anyone, and go there and try to speak aloud, and whatever you learn every day, and so like this when the person should be learn and should start speaking English like this, and every day and different kinds of things, we need to know,
Yes, yes.
and we should feel we are learning and we are encouraging or not.
Hmm. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, initial day I also face many problem, and now also I am facing some problem while speaking. I'm getting stuck.
Yeah.
I got afraid to speak to face anyone who is more
Yeah.
educated than me. Then I get stuck to reply them. So this is our first symptom. This is first symptom. Everyone face this problem, so we don't
Yes.
bother about this. We should to keep
Yes.
consistency, and definitely
Yes.
one day we
Yes.
will able to learn. So
Yes. We
I
will able
also
to be
practice
become
every
fluent in
day,
English.
and for learning this
Yeah.
I read English book, I watch English content. So like that everyone can learn, because initial day we have no environment of English. So we should to create
Yeah.
our environment at our home. We should to listen
Yes.
English conversational video every day, so that we can accumulate the idea, which through we can learn, and we can accumulate the idea and everything, like how to speak,
Yeah.
how to make sentence. Yeah, like that
Yes.
we can learn the method of speaking, and little bit we
Yes.
should to
Yes.
start
Yeah.
speaking.
I start. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Very good idea.
So why
So please tell me,
what is the
because yes.
reason? What is the main reason? Where do you? What is your problem? First of all,
Yes. When I
you
yes.
recognize your problem. What is your problem?
Yes. When I start recording video, while recording, I think and I feel much hesitation myself.
Yes, yes. This is the symptom of. Uh, this is the symptom of like lacking practice. Okay. This is a symptom
Yes.
of lacking practice. We you don't have habitual to make such thing. That's why. So if you do
Yes.
this consistently every day, then automatically it remove
Yes.
from you. So you should
Yes.
to focus on your practicing and recording video in daily basis. Then you will be
Yeah.
habit, and after that you will not be hesitate.
Yes. Yes. You
Initial day
told
every
right because
person face this problem
I
initial.
practice less. I less practice. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. You told right because I practice less. That's why I think it is happening with me. But
Yes, yes.
now I will start practice more and
Yeah, one thing that
yes.
before recording any session we should to think
Yes.
that in which topic I will discuss. So first you have to choose any topic to discuss on, then you can able to
Okay.
speak about that. Otherwise you can't, because if you don't have any topic to discuss or speak on, then how can you able to speak?
Yes.
So first you before starting your recording, you should to choose
Yeah.
good topic which you can describe while recording your video.
Yes. Yes. It means I need to choose before speaking and making video.
Yeah, and while
Yes.
speaking it's need like think in English. Whatever
Yes.
you
Yes.
want to speak, you just think and you just speak in English language. Don't do this. Don't think in your mother tongue. After that you will translate them, so it is not perfect. So this thing make you stuck or hesitate. So whatever you want
Yes.
to
Yes.
speak, whatever you want to describe, you just think in English and just you speak. It is not matter if you make mistake. So making mistake is a simple thing
The
in
part of
initial
our
day.
yes. It's parts of
I also face this
learning.
problem. I also face this
Yes,
problem, but after shutting down the Skype app, I don't use any other application, and I had no idea to use any other application, so that's why I didn't use any other application. But recently I
yes, yes.
know that some people use
I
this
also
Zoom
yes, yes,
application, and
yes.
Geo, what is called that, Geo meeting app.
Zoom, Zoom. Yes, yes.
Yeah,
I also used to talk with a Skype app, but suddenly
yeah, yeah, it
we are
is
not able to
it
talk
has shut it down, no, so
on a
it
Skype app
is
because yes, yes, it
it
has been
not
removed
work nowadays.
permanently. Yes, it is not working. That's why.
Yeah,
Yes, and but when I study and when I talk and teach, that time I feel I have confidence. But when I don't read and study, I feel I don't have anything. It means I can say I like teaching without except teaching. I don't know anything, and I can't do any other work.
yes, yes. So
Yes,
do you understand everything when you when you read anything, or when you read something, do you
yes,
understand
yes,
everything?
yes. Understand. Yes, I understand completely.
Okay.
But I have not fluency only. I'm
Yeah, yeah.
just trying to get it, and I practice less. That's why because I have no more time because I have busy schedule. That's why,
Yeah, yeah,
and
I
I
know
also
that even I also don't
yes,
get time to practice so much, but yeah, every day I try to putting myself in learning this language, so that's why I manage my time as at least 15 or 20 minutes to connect with people,
yes,
because according to my perspective, speaking is one
yes,
of the best for learning language, so that's why I want to speak with people. Okay, so after you are doing like BA, no?
yes, yes. I'm doing BA.
Okay, so after completing BA, what is your plan to do?
Okay, yes. Because I want to become a teacher, so uh I will be a teacher after completing BA.
Okay, so for teacher you have to like pass out the degree of like B.Ed, no?
Yes, but
Okay,
but but I want to do delayed because yes, yes.
sorry, delayed means
I because delayed is a course for uh,
DL, what D?
if you yes if delayed if you complete delayed you will be able to fill up the form for of teacher that you can become teacher of class 1 to 5. It
Okay,
means
okay, it
yes you
means
can
after
teach in
passing.
primary school.
Okay,
Yes, after passing it.
after passing that you can be a teacher
Yes,
of primary school, I can say.
yes, sir. Yes, primary school.
Okay, that's good.
So I have filled up the form, but mm, exam date is not released till now.
Okay, okay, prepare
Yes,
in good way so that you can able to pass
yes,
out and you can achieve that teacher job.
yes. Okay, and definitely, I also hope that.
What does people do in your area nowadays?
Nowadays, people are well, we can say what I don't know English meaning of mung. I don't know. They are plucking out the mung from their fields
Okay,
because monsoon is around the corner. So people are busy in the field because after monsoon they will be busy in the field to to sow the seeds of paddy.
Yes, yes. Nowadays,
And
it is the time of cultivating some another crops also, like maize and
yeah, yeah,
paddy.
yeah.
Yeah,
Paddy. It is not time to cultivate. Cultivating, yes, it will be time after someday.
yeah. But
I think after this month
people is
in
spreading
our area.
people is spreading a
Yes,
seed of paddy for making a small plant. No,
yes,
nowadays
yes,
in my
yes.
side, people spreading the paddy seed in their farm to grow some small plant. After that, the people uproot it and they replant that in field.
Transplant. Yes, transplant. Yes, transplant. Paddy.
Yes, yes.